Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 11 and 12 in exercise 12.2. The problem 11 is a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. So find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Right. So here in this case, again the wiper is fixed at one end, right? And whenever it is turned on, it will move front and back and it will clean some area, right? So here again, that is, you see, this is your wiper, right? And when it is turned on, it will move over here and it will again go back, right? So here what is the area cleaned by the wiper is, it is again a sector. Okay, can you understand the problem here? This is the wiper and whenever it is turned on, it moves like this. So again the area covered by this part by the wiper is in the form of a sector. Right. So here area of the sector swept by one blade is again theta by 360 degree into pi r square. And here you see the length of the blade. So here it is 25 centimeter and the respective angle it covers is 115 degrees. Right. So just substitute the value. So theta is 115 divided by 360 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. What about the r? The r value is 25. Right. So since here we are having r square, it is 25 into 25. So now we have to do simplification, right? We have to do multiplication. That's it. So here in this case, you see 115 divided by 360. I have cancelled step by step, right? I didn't do all the things at a stretch. So here 115 divided by 360. So I am cancelling this 115 and 360 by 5, right? So here 5 2s are 10 and the balance is 1. It is 15. So 5 3s are 15. So it is 23. And again for 360, 7 5s are 35 and the balance is 1 and again 5 2s are 10. So here it is 72, right? So in the next step, you see I had written 23 by 72 into 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. So here in this case, again I am cancelling this by 2. Right? 1 2s are 2 and 1 2s are 2. And here 3 2s are 6. The balance is 1 and 6 2s are 12. So finally here I am having 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 divided by this 36 into 7. Right? So again, when I simplify, right? So let me solve 25 into 25. So 5 5s are 25, 5 remainder 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12 and 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So here it is 625. It's better to remember the square terms for some specific numbers, right? Like what to say, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, because it will make your way of solving problem bit easier, right? So here 25 square is 625. So again we have to multiply this by 11 and by 23. So when you multiply this by 11, what happens? It is 625 and 625. So 5, 7, right? 8 and 6. Now again I have to multiply this with 23, right? So 5 3s are 15, 5, remainder 1, 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22, the remainder is 2, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26, again 2, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20. And here 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15, 5, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17, 7, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 5, 2, 11 and here it is 8 and 5 and this one, right? So finally I'm having 158125 divided by, and 36 into 7 gives you 252, right? So now we have calculated the area covered by a single blade, right? But what we need to do, find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades, right? So here we have to consider the two blades and we have to tell the total area cleaned. Therefore, area covered by two blades is, we have to multiply this by 2 because this is the area covered by a single blade, right? So 2 into this one, so 2 and 2 52 cancels each other, and here comes 126. So here the final answer is 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square, right? So now we will move with problem number 12. So to warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Right, here the pi is 3.14. So again, you see there is a lighthouse. Right, and this lighthouse spreads a light, right? So it spreads, how it will spread? It spread, okay, it spread light like this over the sea, right? Here is the sea. So we have to find the area which is covered by this red colored light, right? Again here, when you keenly observe, this is a sector, right? So what is the angle? The angle of the sector is 80 degree. And what is the distance here? What is the radius? It is 16.5 kilometers, right? So here we have to find the area of the sector. So area of the sector is given by the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So what is the value of theta? Here theta is 80 degrees. So 80 by 360 into the value of pi, it is 3.14, right? So here the value of pi is 3.14 into the radius is 16.5 square, right? So 16.5 into 16.5. Again here I have cancelled in a step-by-step way, right? So the 0 and 0 cancels each other, and 8 and 36 cancel by 4, right? So 4 2s are 8 and 9 4s are 36. So here comes 2 by 9 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. So again this 9 and the 16.5 can be cancelled by 3, right? So 3 3s are 9, and here 5 3s are 15, and the balance is 1, and again 5 3s are 15. So here it is 5.5, right? So since we are having 3, you see, again rewrite. So 2 by 3 into 3.14 into 5.5 into 16.5, and again this 3 and 16.5 cancels each other by 5.5 times. So now here the final terms are 2 into 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5, right? So again here I have done the calculation, you see, okay, 5.5 into 5.5, that gives 30.25, right? And again this 2 into 3.14 gives me 6.28. Now I have to multiply these two, right? So here is the multiplication, 30.25 into 6.28 here, right? As usual, you just do the multiplication, and here you have to keep the decimal points 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 digits from the back. So 1 2 3 4. So here the answer is 189.97 kilometer square, right? So here comes the end of this video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.